Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will look at the process of registration for e-way bill, choosing Tally as your GSP for e-way bill generation, and creating API user to access e-way bill portal directly from Tally Prime. Tally Prime Release 2.0 offers an integrated e-way bill feature that takes care of e-way bill generation without manual intervention. It is designed as a part of your regular invoicing activity and does not need any additional effort. To use Tally Prime for online e-way bill generation, you have to register for e-way bill and choose Tally India Private Limited as your GSP on the e-way bill portal. If you have already selected Tally India Private Limited as your GSP and created an API user for e-invoicing, there is no need to create one for e-way bill separately. You can use e-invoice API user login to generate e-way bill directly from Tally Prime. To register for e-way bill, open the e-way bill portal. Under registration, click e-way bill registration to open the e-way bill registration form. Enter your GSTIN and CAPTCHA and click Go to Submit. The company details related to the provided GSTIN number are displayed. To verify the details, click Send OTP. You will receive the OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the form and click Verify OTP. Once the verification is successful, fields to enter, username and password are displayed. Enter the details and click Save. Your e-way bill registration is completed and e-way bill portal login credentials are created. You can now log in to the e-way bill system using the username and password created now. To select Tally as your GSP and create API user on e-way bill portal, log in to the e-way bill portal. Go to Home page. Click Registration and then click for GSP. Register your GST Suvidha Provider screen is displayed. Click Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Verify OTP. The registration form is shown. Select the option Add New. In the GSP name field of the register form, select Tally India Private Limited. The username is already assigned by the e-way bill portal. You can add a 3-character suffix to the username. Enter a 3-character suffix in the username and re-enter username fields. Enter a 15-character password in the password and re-enter password fields. You can use this API username and password in Tally Prime to directly access e-way bill portal and exchange information. Click Add. Even if you have already selected an GSP and created API user for the GSP, you can create a new API user and select Tally India Private Limited as GSP. Once the user creation is completed, you can use the username and password of the API user in Tally Prime for online access of e-way bill portal. This will allow Tally Prime to exchange information with the portal in real time to generate and download e-way bill details. You can do all e-way bill related activities like generate, cancel, extend period, update Part B details and so on directly from Tally Prime using the API user login credentials.